friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to translate a document to a different language in Microsoft Word. So I'm going to open up a Microsoft Word document here, and as you can see it's currently in English. Now in order to translate this, you can do either part of the document or you can do the entire document. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So you want to click on review from the options at the top, and here you have translate. You want to click on the drop down, and here you'll see it says either translate the document or a selection. So let's start with this selection. So if you click on that, you have the option now up here on the right hand side where you can translate. So I'm going to select, for example, this first paragraph here, and in order to translate this, you can choose the language where you want it to translate. As you can see, it automatically choose a language for me because I had something set there. But you have the from and you also have the to, so you can always change to whatever you want. So I can choose Catalan and it will go to like a Spanish, or I can put it back to the Czech, right? And let's say you want to insert that specific part of the document, you can just simply click the insert button and it will insert that entire section of the document to that language, right? So that's how you do a section. If you want to do the entire document, you can always do that by either selecting the option from the review and do the document, or you can just do it from this side to document and ensure that you select it. So you'll have this select, you have the auto, which it will show the language that it's in, or you can manually set the language, right? Then you can do the two. So let's say I want to put it to entire Czech, and it's up to you if you want to have it always translate to this language. You don't have to check that, but it's up to you. And just simply click on translate and it will translate the document for you. And that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.